friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious tamarind agua fresca, perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, getting ready the simple syrup. Let me tell you, once you make your simple syrup, is no going back. I added 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water. I am going to take it to the stove. I am going to cook for about 5 minutes. When it starts boiling and the water turns slightly yellow, that's when you know that the granulated sugar has dissolved completely. Remember, once it's boiling, turn it off and let it come to room temperature, and then you're ready to enjoy it. In coffee and lemonades, you decide. And here I have the tamarind fruit. Yes, look at this. It comes just like this. I'm going to show you the perfect way to make your tamarind agua fresca. You are going to be very careful removing the shell and removing the little veins that you could see here. Look at this. Be very gentle. Remove all the the skin and remove the vine. Look at this. This is going to take time, but let me tell you, this agua fresca of tamarind comes out so concentrated, so delicious. The aroma, the flavor, the color, so intense. I know there's a lot of people that takes the skin off, takes the little vines off, and then they cook it. They boil it and they get all the properties. They remove all the properties of the tamarind when you could make it my way and enjoy all those amazing properties that turmeric has for our bodies. Well, once you removed all the skin, all the shell, and all the little vines, you put it in a jar. You add cold water. You let it sit overnight on your kitchen counter. The tamarind is going to get so fluffy, so hydrated, so moist that once you start pulling apart all those amazing properties, you're going to notice that the water is so concentrated. You're going to notice the aroma. And of course, the taste is going to be just amazing. Let me tell you, don't cook your tamarind. Leave it overnight. Let it sit. And then the following morning, you are ready to enjoy an amazing concentrated tamarind agua fresca. It's nice and fluffy. You're going to with your hand nice and clean, you're going to start removing the seeds, start removing the skin of the seeds, being very careful to remove all that skin, remove all the seeds, and leave all the pulp behind. When you make it my way, you are really going to enjoy it. This is exactly what you don't want in your tamarind water. Of course, you're going to add much more water. You really want to have it nice and delicious, nice and creamy. And let me tell you, make it, enjoy it with your beautiful family, especially in this hot weather. My mouth is watering. I can't wait to enjoy, and it's nice and concentrated. I am adding the simple syrup. Remember, add it to your taste. Enjoy it with your beautiful family. I am ready to put it in a jar, ready to taste. And of course, I'm not going to add any ice into my pitcher. I am going to add it just like this. All my family comes later, and I don't want to dilute this amazing tamarind agua fresca. Look at this. The color, the aroma, the texture, just amazing. And the best thing is that it still has all those amazing properties that are still in the tamarind juice. Of course, I am ready to enjoy. On my glass, I am going to add enough ice. Here in California, it's really hot. It's 98 degrees. And of course, I am going to refresh myself with this amazing and delicious concentrated tamarind juice or tamarind agua fresca. You got to this part of the video, you love my recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And look at this. This is what I'm going to enjoy. I hope you make it. I hope you enjoy it. And of course, bon appetit. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing and delicious homemade tamarind water. Let me tell you, I call it agua fresca. And let me tell you, it's so concentrated, so delicious, and so refreshing, especially in this hot weather. Excuse me. The flavor, perfect. And let me tell you, when you make your aguas frescas at home, you have control of how much sugar you add to your aguas frescas. If you liked and love this amazing agua fresca of tamarind, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Remember, refresh yourself with an amazing agua fresca of tamarind. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.